My dad is coming home tonight from California, so I'm making our favorite sushi to celebrate. Our favorite flavor is sweet potato tempura. To get started, cook up about 2 cups of rice in a rice cooker. Mix together 88 milliliters or 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, 60 milliliters or 1/4 cup of flour, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and add 125 milliliters or half a cup of sparkling water, and stir until no lumps remain. Cut the sweet potato into chunky strips and coat in the batter. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a pot to medium-high heat. And now fry until crisp. Remove from the oil and let dry on a drying rack. Place a sheet of seaweed on a sushi roller. Put the rice on the bottom 2/3 of the sheet. Add the sweet potato tempura in a line and then roll up. Now cut it and serve with soy sauce. Let's try it. That is so good. I cannot believe how amazing that is. That's amazing. And remember, together kids can save the world.